It was around 11 o'clock at night. A boy was running away from some goons on the streets of Korea to save his life. A goon who was chasing him said to him, "Where will you go by escaping Jungkook? What did you think? You will be able to live in this Korea by rejecting Miss Suzy. Refusing Miss Suzy is inviting death." Jungkook calls someone while running away to save his life. As soon as the person on the other end picked up the call, he said to him, "Where are you both? That Suzy has hired goons to kill me." The person present on the other side said, "Relax dude, as long as we are here, no one can do anything to you. You just come towards FF Club, we will take care of the rest." Hearing this, Jungkook kept his mobile in his pocket and started moving towards FF Club at full speed. As soon as he reached in front of FF Club, he saw a black car standing in front of him on which the logo of King was made. On seeing that car, a smile came on Jungkook's face and he stopped. Seeing Jungkook stop so suddenly, those goons got a little worried. They were not able to understand why Jungkook, who was running away from them in fear, stopped suddenly. Jungkook, who was very tired due to running continuously, was taking deep breaths. Then a goon throws a hockey bat towards Jungkook and hits him. Just as the bat was about to hit Jungkook, a boy comes in front of Jungkook and catches that hockey bat. As soon as Jungkook sees the boy holding the hockey bat, he says to him, "Why did it take you so much time, Jimin? I was waiting for you since so long." Jimin said to him while swinging the bat stylishly, "What should I tell you now, friend? You already know him. Wherever he stands, girls go crazy for him. Because of him I got a little late. By the way, he must be coming from the club. Till then we will go and see them together," he said while looking at the goons present in front. Hearing these words of Jimin, a goon present in front of him started laughing loudly. He said while laughing, "Ha ha ha, look at them, they think that these two people together will defeat us. Ha, what a joke. Boys, please tell these kids what we can do to them." As soon as he says this, his goons started moving forward to beat Jimin and Jungkook. Jimin and Jungkook were teaching those goons a good lesson. Seeing his people being beaten up like this, the ego of the boss of those goons got hurt a bit. He came forward to participate in that fight. As soon as he came, those goons started overpowering Jimin and Jungkook. Just then, Jimin and Jungkook's friend came out of the FF Club. As soon as he saw his friends being beaten up, he ran towards them. He jumped and kicked the boss directly on his chest. As soon as the boss of the goons got that kick, all the goons were shocked. They were all looking at the boy who had kicked their boss with shock. Jimin and Jungkook sat on the ground and taking a deep breath, started saying to him, "Why did it take so much time? If it had taken a little more time, these people would have made a mess of us, these kids." Then we, while caressing his hair stylishly, extended his hand towards them with a confident smile and said, "As long as I am there, nothing can happen to my friends." That goon looked angrily at V and said to him, "Who are you? Don't you love your life, boy?" Hearing this, V turned back and warned that goon with attitude and said, "Those who love me know me as V, and my enemies know me as Kim Taehyung." As soon as he hears his name, his legs start trembling in fear. The goon was sweating profusely and he looked at V and said, So are you the next heir of King Group?" Hearing this, Taehyung looked at him seriously and said, "Is there any doubt?" As soon as he hears this from him, he calls back his people and starts walking away from there. Then Taehyung warned him and said, "If anyone comes to know about this secret of mine, then I will understand that you have told people about this. After this, you will be responsible for whatever I do to you." Next morning, Taehyung, Jimin and Jungkook were lying in their office drunk as usual after partying all night. They did not care at all about what happened last night because such things happened with them every day. Taehyung and Jimin were school-time friends and they became friends with Jungkook in college. After college was over, Taehyung and Jimin together started an insider influencer company whose job was to get work done for their clients through legal and illegal means. Despite the risk being high and the work being difficult, their success rate was 100%, due to which they kept on growing day by day. Jungkook's focus was more on social media, so he became a social media influencer. Because of his good looks, he started getting modeling and advertisement offers from big companies, and slowly he started becoming more famous. As soon as Taehyung's eyes opened while lying on the couch, he woke up Jungkook and Jimin and said, "Guys, get up now. Grandpa can call us anytime." As soon as he said grandfather, Jimin and Jungkook quickly got up from the couch and looking around said, "Where is grandfather, where is he?" Taehyung was smiling while making coffee, seeing the actions of both of them. He asked Jungkook, "Jungkook, who were those goons who came to beat you yesterday? Because right now we don't have any such project going on due to which someone would send goons after us." Because of Jimin and Taehyung's company, they faced big problems every day. Some threatened them and some lured them with money. Closing square bracket. Jungkook thought of Miss Suzy and told her, "The root cause of all this trouble is those two girls. The first one is Sky Group's owner's spoiled daughter YN, and the second one is her cousin Suzy, who has come from London. Because of these two, I am upset for the last 15 days, they have even taken away my sleep." While giving him coffee, Taehyung asked him, "What problem did they have with you that they hired goons to kill you?" Jungkook told them about the problem and said, "To be continued. Why is Taehyung hiding his identity of being the next heir of King Group from others? Why is YN and her cousin Suzy after Jungkook so desperately?" Stay tuned to Love is a Deal to find out.